There is a different answer they given here, but it is not a correct answer for all the things. Why? Because they given what the type of answer xn. It is a wrong answer only. And they given what actually nx to the power of minus 1. Okay, now for a confusion purpose, they given what purpose it is nx to the power of minus 1. Yeah, you have the answer x to the power of n minus 1. In case may you get any confusion at the time of examination, this much of time may not available. Na hurry burry may contain that particular examination time. That's why there is a may confusion may given this answer. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as x to the power of whole n to the power of minus 1. Okay, now but it is equal to become what x to the power of minus 1 into the power of minus 1. Okay, yes, that is why every time one check that all four answers what they given for you. May it is wrong also, but you have to shoot compulsory once take it. Why? Because you know when you know the how we made the mistakes, automatically we not made the mistakes. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, that's why compulsory you have to know in which format you go with the mistakes. Okay, now the answer is the only one, but the ways of the mistakes is the three here. Okay, now which one is the more possibilities are there? Three more possibilities are there. That's why this answer may you get sometimes when you go with the confusion. Okay, now IIT foundations are why? Because you know for increasing the speed. Got it or not all the students? For increasing your speed in a examination, your life is decided in that 3 hours only. Whatever you write at the time of IIT mains, these all the years whatever we are using for our preparation purpose, that 3 hours are very important. When we get that paper to our home, it will be maybe are complete that is a 5 hours or in 6 hours. Every student may complete it there be 6 or 7 hours when you know the concepts. But within the time the who is a completed, that person is only become the winner. That's why where we get the wrong. The time is also one problem is there. Sometimes our mind the misconception. Now once take it here, this last one, it looks like our answer only, but there is just only brackets are there. Okay, na? The brackets made lot of difference, na? Okay, clear or not? That's why every answer also once you check it, why this answer is not become a correct answer also. Okay, now yes, this is only the level of foundation. Got it or not? When you get the answer, simply you write the B. It is not a correct method. The remaining one check it like this. Whatever the remaining answers are given, why they become not answers? Why? Because in our IIT foundation, sometimes the multi-answer questions are also there. Multi-answer questions. Once go through the IIT advanced sheet in your textbook only, there is a contain what multi-answered questions. Multi-answered. A and B also both are become answered. Okay, now suppose in our textbook only the answers may given like this. It is for a question A. Okay, and write the answer. A is the x by n. Okay, B is the what you know. B is written as x to the power of n minus 1, and C is written as yes. And written the C is as D is all of the above. Yeah. Now answer is all of above. Got it or not? Everything is the same only. Only just the mathematical conversation is only there. Understand all of you? Once take it from this one only, it may get na or not. From this particular one only, it will be get na. Direct formula it is. It is somewhat indirect. It is more indirect. Okay na? N by x, 1 by n by x. The x is goes to where? Now, in the numerator. Okay, after completion of process. Okay, clear? Like this. 1 by 2 by 3. It is equal to what? Actually, 3 by 2. Understood or not, the students? In this way, we have to check the answers. Okay, now? Yes, when you check the answers like this, that get more practice, and it will be makes what you know, the where the errors is there in your answers, that will be corrected like our change of head scale reading. Understood not all of you? In the zero errors are there na? Somewhat zero errors only it is. Why? Because you know the answers, but they're not a given proper answer as we get. Okay, now as we get answer is this one, but actually they given this one. Okay, in this mode you correct that answer also. Got it or not? Yes. Then next, seventh one. Seventh one. A screw has a pitch equal to 0.5 mm. What should be the number of a division on its head so as to read correct up to 0.001 mm with it held? Okay, once again I repeat it all the students. A screw has a pitch. A screw has pitch equal to 0.5 mm. Okay, what should be the number of divisions on its edge so as to read correct up to 0.001 mm with its L? Very, very important question, and somewhat difficulty also there is that when you know the concepts of pitch and as well as already I have given this information. Suppose you want to make this our screw gauge is a contain what actually 100 divisions only. Understood not all the students? Our screw gauge is a contain 100 divisions only. It will be provide what on this one 100 divisions only. It provide how much least count 0.01 only. But what they required actually 0.001 mm they required. The least count is required more than that. What we have to do then? Then we have to use there is a more head scale number of divisions. Okay, clear or not all of you? Just you, it is not possible to change the pitch scale reading. Pitch scale reading should be 1 mm only. At last 1 mm it should be. Okay, clear. Pitch of the screw may changes here, but pitch scale reading should be 1 mm only. Understood not all the students? Yes, and pitch of the screw means what you know very well. When you make a one number of rotation, it's traveled some distance on the axis of the pitch of the screw. Or the whatever the our stable is there, okay now it will be move somewhat distance. That is only called a pitch of the screw. Okay, clear. Now there is a once go through that whatever the data is given. All the students, when you get the numerical problems in physics, don't go with the panic nature. Yes, keep in your mind whatever the data they given exactly. When you collect data properly, yes, from the problem, when you write your data in a proper mode, okay, now you'll get the half of the problem. Otherwise, so many are directly go with the problem only and formula application only. Not go like that. First one and twice you once read that problem. You get the data, idea of the data. Then after only enter into the problem. Okay, once again I'm repeat it is, yeah, a screw has a pitch equal to 0.5 mm. What is that? Pitch is equal to 0.5 mm it is. Okay, clear or not all the students? 0.5 mm. Yes, please mute yourself. Yeah, here pitch is equal to taken as 0.5 mm. And the next come to here. After this, what we have, there is a what should be the number of divisions of its head so as to read correct up to 0.001 mm. Okay, now yes, here actually pitch is equal to 0.5 mm is nothing but what the values are there. Pitch is equal to what? X by m. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, now n here already pitch is given. Number of head-scale divisions we don't know about this. Okay, clear or not all of you? We don't know now number of head-scale divisions what is there. Okay, just we have to find out least count. Least count is equal to what the formula is there P by n. Okay, P by n we have here. Okay, now already we have the pitch of the screw that is a 0.5 mm. We don't know what is the value of number of head scale divisions. But for this pitch of the screw only, we require n value. What they given? The least count is given here. Okay, clear or not all the student? What they given? Least count is given. What the least count? How much required for us? There is the required 0.001 mm is required. Clear or not all of you? How much least count is required? 0.001 mm is required. Yeah. Now, just what the formula we have here for a number of head scale division? P by LC, simply. Okay, what we required here? N is required. N is required. Got it or not? Yes, now it becomes what? N is equal to P by LC. Here P is equal to what we have? N is equal to 0.5. Okay, now? Yes, what is the LC is there here? 0.001 it is. N is equal to what? 0.5 by 0.001 it will be there. Now, it is also written as N is equal to 0.5 by, yes, here it is written as 10 to the power of minus 3. Got it or not? It is written as 10 to the power of minus 3 we have here. Got it? Got it or not? Now, it is also written as N is equal to taken as 0.5 into 10 to the power of plus 3. Okay, got it? When we are the minus 3 goes to here, it will become plus. Okay, I know you. Hope you know very well. That is about a. This is the formula we have used for this one. It is written as a to the power of. Okay, na? Yes, plus n. 1 by a to the power of minus n. A to the power of plus n. Okay, got it or not? Yeah. Now, then it will become 10 to the power of 3. Now, n is equal to 0.5 into 1000. 0.5 into 1000. Then automatically n is equal to what? 500. Okay, na? Number. We have to divide our head scale into how many numbers? 500 divisions. Okay, na? Yes, this much of process don't do at the time of examination. At the time of practice, you have to do it. Automatically, this formula may you are memorized in your mind. Okay, na? When we require number of head scale divisions, directly we take n is equal to P by LC. When we require the least count, at that time it will be taken as P by N. When we require a fixed scale, what the formula gets from is, yes, P is equal to taken as the least count into number of head scale divisions. How many formulas are there here? Totally 3 formulas are we get for us. Okay, from one formula only. Okay, clear or not? You have lot of time, 7th class students, for your IIT beat purpose. Whatever the goal of your IIT is there, the lot of time is there. Yes, when you make a formulas like this, there is may thousands of formulas may written by you. You prepared one book also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? You become an author of book of formulas of physics. Okay, clear or not? When you write like this, got it? Yeah, I hope you got it. It is once you write it, this whatever the solution is there. No much time is there for us. Please maintain fast manner. Okay, clear or not? Find the number of head scale divisions. It is equal to how much it is? It is a 500 number. Yeah, I hope you completed. Next, we go to the next concept. That is the question number 8. Yeah, what is the question number 8 is there? Once check it, there is a statement based. It is give the more knowledge for us. Once check it now. Which of the following is the most accurate instrument for measuring the length? Okay, now they are given. There is a what actually different. Okay, now different statements they given for our screw gauge purpose only. Different screw gauges they given, which is giving the more accurate thing. Okay, now that is only we have to find. Vernier calipers having 20 divisions on the sliding scale which coincide with the 19 divisions of the main millimeter scale. Next, a screw gauge having pitch 1 millimeter. Yes, it is contains about 50 divisions on the circular scale. Okay, clear or not? A vernier least count is a 0.01 mm. A screw gauge least count is 0.001 mm. Okay, clear or not, all those students? Simply, we get it is already, which is the content less least count. Okay, clear or not? Less least count. That is a become what? Accurate measurement instrument. Clear or not? Yes, they what they given. Simply the D is answer. We know get directly. Why? Because the D is answer. Once check it. 20 divisions on the sliding scale coincide with the 19 division on main millimeter scale. Okay, vernier calipers it is only given 0.1 mm. Okay, now 0.1 mm least count only when you take that 20 to 19 there is vernier reading you know very well, and as well as the vernier yes main principle you know very well. Okay, now one vernier reading one vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 main scale divisions. Based on that we get 0.1 mm only least count when we take a as the option. The second option, which of the screw is the one? Okay, and whatever this 1 millimeter, it is a 50 divisions. Okay, clear or not all of you? That is a 50 to the power of minus 1 means what? It is become 5 mm 0. Sorry, just a minute. 1 by 50 na? Then it is also written as 10 to the power of minus 1 by 5. Okay, na? And it is also written as 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, clear or not all the students? 0.02 mm it is. Okay, clear or not all the students? 0.02 mm it is. Okay, and here this is only one more. The answer it is. And a vernier called least count is 0.01 mm. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as a screw gauge of the least count is 0.0001 mm. Okay, now one more thing is the content 0.01 mm. Option C is about 0.01 mm. Option D is about 0.001 mm. Yes, which one is accurate now? The D is a accurate one. Why? Because it is a measure small length also. It is measure very small length up to 0.001 means what? 1 by thousandth part of millimeter. Okay, clear or not? Our first option A is the gives what? 1 by 10th part of millimeter only. Okay. Second option 0.02, 1 by 20th part of millimeter. Yes, this is a 1 by 10th part of millimeter. Sorry, 1 by 100th part of millimeter it is. Okay, clear or not? It is about 1 by 1000th part also. Then which is accurate measure? And it is only which one? Last screw gauge. Okay, got it? This is only about yes our question. Very important. Sometimes this same question may ask for you. Yes, write the order of least count, decreasing order of least count, or increasing order of least count also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, they may ask the question like that also. Yes, arrange these all the instruments, whatever given A, B, C, D, into the form of increasing order of least count or decreasing order of least count. Okay, clear or not? Yes, yeah, that is only also one question may came from this base main concept. Okay, next to come to here. When the studs of screw gauge are brought in a contact, the 15 circular scale division coincide with the reference line. Okay, now the zero error is. Okay, already yesterday we discussed this concept. Okay, now the zero error means you know very well. Positive zero error or negative zero error means we know very well. Why? Because when it is below the axis of line, zero is the below the axis of line. That is what? Positive zero. When it is above the axis of line, negative zero error. Got it or not? But already yesterday I am discussed that which is when it is below, what the values are coincide, and when it is above, what the values are coincide. Suppose here this is the main scale, this is the head scale. Okay, now on the head scale, it is the 0th division. Suppose above the 0, what the values are there? It is a 5. Okay, like that it is a 10. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And it is a what actually? It is a 15. Suppose like that it is there. Okay, now below of it, what the values are there, you know, it is a 95, it is a what? It is a 90. Okay, clear or not? One round it is there. In this round, like all the okay, now 100 divisions are there. Okay, now our scale is main scale is like this. It is okay, now it is axis of main scale. There will be not called zero error. When it will become below, means what? Here not zero, it is a 15. It is there. Zero is a goes where up to here down. Understand all of you? When it is a 50, where of 0, it will be become down, na? It will be 14, it will become 13, like that up to here, it is a 0. 0 is where here on the scale, yes, below the principal axis. Clear or not, all of you? It is below the principal axis when we take like this. Okay, now automatically it is become what? Positive zero error only. The correction is become negative. The question may gives like that. Understood or not, all the students? Once again, I repeat it. Once look at this. This screw gauge is there now. Yes, there is a two shafts are one is coincided with another one here. Okay, clear or not? One is a coincided with another one. Once check it, there is what we have. Yeah. Once check it, there is a one line is there here. Small line. Okay, and it is not coincided with the zero. Zero is the below of this line. This is called what? Positive zero error. Okay, now not like that. Suppose it is a 15, it is a 10 na. Above the zero, it is what is there? 10. Okay, clear or not? In case it is a 15, okay, it is a positive zero error. Once check it. After the zero, what is there? Yeah, once check it here. Yeah, below the zero, 90 is there or not? 80 is there, like that. Above the zero, what the values are there? 10, 15. When we there it is a when I am touch it here, there is a what? A zero is not at along this line, along our scale axis line. It will be above below the zero now. Once check it, it is below the zero. That's why it is positive zero. When it is goes to the below the zero, what the values are get? As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Yes, there is a what? When it is zero, it is a below of axis line. Then it will be 15 at here. It is become positive zero error. Okay, when you take it is a negative zero error, the zero goes above and the reading is shown for the axis coincide is 90. Okay, now 90, yes, 99, 94, like that may observe. The zero errors when they get negative, it will become what in the order of 90s. The zero errors are may get positive. That errors are may get greater than the zero may get like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, na? And when you please keep in your mind simply for this purpose. Okay, na? When it is a less than 100, may it is a 0 to the 100, it will be there less than 100, and as well as there it is a may 90 to the 100, it will values are may coincide with the principal axis. That zero error should become negative zero error. Zero above means what? May 20, 30, 40, like that it we may get that become, yes, that become negative zero, sorry, positive zero error. When there is a coincidence with the principal axis, it is become positive zero error. Here 15 is the coincide. That's why it is our positive zero error. Okay, clear or not, all of you? The correction should be negative. Okay, now this to the CHSR is equal to taken as the CHSR is equal to taken as yes plus na the minus is the here. Understand all of you? This is only the component you have to take it. Okay, the same question may given. Okay, now the same question and one more question may have passed it here. What is that question? Suppose there is a this principal whatever our axis is there on a main scale reading, it is coincide with the 95. It is coincide with the end scale division whatever there it is 95. Okay, at that time where is our zero? Our zero it is here. Okay, now above the principal, above our yes, main scale axis. Okay, now it is which type of our whatever it is which type of zero error? Yes, it is a negative zero error. The correction is what? Yeah, the correction is positive. How many number of lines? You don't take it is 85. Okay, now you don't take it is 95 here. Okay, now you directly so many are misconception. They write there is a 95 only. Don't take at that time 95. Okay, now at that time negative 0 is taken as somewhat 5. The correction should be positive. That is a plus 5. 100 minus the given reading value you have to write. Okay, now yes, understood or not? And when you take a positive 0 error, 0 plus that error. Okay, now yes, 0 plus 15. That is become 50. When it is negative 0 error, 100 minus the given reading. Okay, at that time the correction you get. Okay, now clear or not? Yes, that is only about our 0 errors questions. Very, very important one, and as well as somewhat a twisting is there here. Okay, now they given directly the value. They asked what for us? Okay, now yes, which type of 0 error and what is the correction? Okay, please keep in your mind. Okay, when it is below, there should be 0, above values may get yes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. When you get it is a negative 0 error, yes 0 may go above and nearby 100 values may get for us. Okay, clear or no? Yes, that is only how to take. Yes, the fundamental thing is 0 only. 0 is above or below, but above what the values are may get, and below when it will go the below what the values are get, you have to should know. Okay, yes, next. There is what is the ratio of the least count of an ordinary vernier calipers to the start of an ordinary screw gauge. Okay, now yeah, there is the least counts. There is very one more important question. Yes, I hope you very well when you understood the physics, it looks like somewhat a game. Okay, now yes, I'm getting it is I'm feel now I'm playing with the game actually and game. Okay, why? Because once check it, there is a vernier calipers is a given and as well as the screw gauge is a given. You have to know both the information. You already completed vernier calipers, ordinary vernier calipers, regular whatever we use the vernier calipers. It's a contain how much? It's a contain 0.1 mm, 10th part of millimeter. Okay, the ordinary screw gauge. Okay, just it is ordinary screw gauge is contained. Okay, it is vernier calipers discount, it is a screw gauge discount. Ordinary screw gauge is contained 0.01 mm. Okay, now and now there is the ratio between the what these two things. What the question? What is the ratio of least count of an ordinary vernier calipers to ordinary screw gauge? The ratio required between these. Okay, now what is the value of this? 0.1 mm by 0.01 mm. Okay, clear or not? 0.1 mm by 0.01 mm. Okay, now it will become what? 10 to the power of minus 1 by 10 to the power of minus 2. When it goes for here, 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of plus 2. It will be goes like this. Okay, it will become what then? 10. Okay, minus 1 plus 2, it will become what? Minus 1 plus 2, it is become 10. 10, the ratio is the what? 10. Okay, now, yes, screw gauge measures more 10 times than the vernier calipers. Okay, this is only the information is what? Screw gauge measures more 10 times the length accurately than the vernier calipers. Got it? This is only the thing. Yeah, next. Level 3, already our time completed, but please stay some time. Yeah, next year, there is our whatever the component is there, that is our level 3 question. This is a level 3, and once check it, if the pitch of the screw is 0.1 mm and there are 100 divisions on the circular scale, the least count of a given screw gauge. Yeah, you know very well. The hint for it is everything is a least count based on so many are there. Least count is equal to 11th question. Least count is equal to taken as the pitch of the screw by number of its scale divisions. Here, the given pitch of the screw is how much? 0.1 mm. Number of its scale division is 100. Then 0.1 by 100, that is 0.00. 1 mm. Okay, now yes, you have to take it is next. The observed diameter of the screw gauge is a 0.577. The diameter is given 0.557. Okay, now and the correction is minus 0.05 centimeters. Then corrected diameter of the screw gauge is now the given diameter. The correction is a minus here. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Then there is a correction is a minus. Actually, you make it is a minus from this one simply. Okay, now already the given correction. They not a given error actually. In case error is there, depending on that you have to do. Yes, just simply minus from it, you'll get it. Yes, I hope you understood it. 0.557 minus 0.005. Simply it is become 0.52. Okay, now answer is that one. B answer it is. Okay, simple thing only given in level 3 also. And 13 that figure as given here. In that figure, you have to find out the diameter of the wire. Okay, what the readings are there. Okay, now yes, this is the axis they given, and in that our head scale divisions, it is a coincide with that 0. It is coincide with the main scale reading is how much? Yes, 4 mm. PSR is taken as 4. Okay, na? And as well as next word that it is a reading coincide with the 34. Okay, they given like that. Okay, it is a 35. Then after it will be given as 40. Yes, this is become 34. Head scale reading. Then what will become head scale reading? 34. Okay, na? Then what is the least count of it? It is 100 divisions are there. The least count is become what? Yes, the least count is become here. It is a 1 mm by the what 100. That automatically it become 0.01 mm. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, the least count is a 0.01 mm. They not given any what is that? Any zero errors are given. Then diameter formula is the what? What is the formula of the diameter here? Yes, diameter formula is PSR into LSR into LC. Okay, clear. What is the PSR here? PSR is a 4. Okay, PSR plus it is. Yes, HSR is what actually? HSR is equal to taken as here 34. 34 into what actually? 34 into 0.01. Okay, that is only the answer. 4 plus yes 0.34. Okay, now 4.34 millimeters. Answer is this one. What are they given here? Yeah, 4.34 millimeter. Yeah, there is a given. First is the answer. Why? Because they given in a centimeter. Answer is given in the centimeter 0.434. Okay, now they're not directly given millimeters based. 0.434 millimeters is given. It is not a correct answer, students. As every value is in millimeters, but they given it is in centimeters. You convert the millimeter into centimeters. Okay, now by 10 you have to make it. Okay, now when you want it is a convert millimeter into centimeter, it is a by 10. Why? Because you know the reason. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then 1 millimeter is equal to yes 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, now in this particular place you have to write. You get 0. Yes, 434. Answer is 0.434 centimeter. Yes, do it. Yes, thank you, students. Please stay here. Again, the biology class is there for you. Yes, thank you. Bye. Take care.